When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides.
Alright, I'm going to attempt to try to ride this hoverboard. Show them the hoverboard. Okay, we're going to learn how to ride it. Because I refuse to let a 12-year-old or 11-year-old know how to ride it. Oh, Jesus. And I can't. So here we go. Okay, wait a minute. Oh Lord. Okay. Oh Jesus. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, get on it. 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 Okay. Okay. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm on it. I'm on it.
How you get off of it?
Okay. Okay, go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Okay. Go. Turn. Okay. 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 I'm on it. Okay, I'm on it, y'all. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay. 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 Now we go. Okay. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh.
Lean forward.
Huh?
Lean forward.
Okay, hold on.
By lean forward,
Okay.
lean your legs forward. Lean the whole body. Now lean forward.
Okay. 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 Now, the problem is, how the heck am I gonna get off of it?
You want me to cut it off?
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go to the table. We're gonna go to the table. We're gonna go to the table. We're gonna go to the table.
How you gonna get to the table if you can't even move?
Okay, hold on. Hold on. We're gonna. Okay. Okay. Come cut it off. Come cut it off. Come cut it off. Come cut it off.
Hold on.
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do?
Just hold on to something.
What's he gonna do? Wait. What's he gonna do?
It's gonna turn off. The auto balance is gonna turn off.
We'll do it. Hold on. We'll do it like this.
Hold all of you on safe.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. Oh,
Daddy!
Excuse that. Y'all didn't hear that. Why the thing like it was finna take off? Which way is front?
You see where this says hover?
No.
Where it says hover? This is hover.
So is it this way or this way? See, that's why. I'm going the wrong way. Okay. Alright, so let's try it again.
No, it doesn't really matter.
It does matter.
Not to me.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay, and we're going front with me. We're going front. Okay, here we go. Let's take it nice and slow. Okay. All right, and okay, go backwards. We're gonna let go of the table, going backwards. Okay. 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 And we're gonna try to go a little bit faster. And okay. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay.
Please don't scratch it anywhere it already is.
Okay.
And by the way, when it's about to go down, it kind of makes you fall. So be careful.
Okay.
It's about to go down.
Okay.
I've never seen both of the lights in the front glow like that.
Alright, here we go. We're going forward. We're going forward. Oh! Okay. We're going backwards. We're going backwards. We're going backwards. Oh, shoot. Backwards, son. Backwards. Bow. Backwards. Ah! Okay, here we go. Forward. 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 And okay, 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 okay. All right, here we go. Let go of the table. 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 And we going. See?
You gotta let go of the table for at least 10 seconds. Try 10 seconds. Or 5.
Okay, 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 okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
There's like milliseconds, but okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was a complete and utter fail. And my son left me. Think I'm done for the day.